Hey, okay, so I'm in my bathroom, matching with my bathroom, and I'm getting ready to change these out to these. But what I have to do is combine these two. So these lights are on a switch. The bathroom fan is on a switch, but these are on separate switches and they can be on one switch. So the first thing I'm going to do is this. I'm just going to put these same wires here. So this is the easiest one, or at least it should be. So I think I just put this up here and this down here. I take this teeny little flathead screwdriver and you put it in that little slot. And then you like press and it releases this wire. Oh my gosh, how do you do this with one hand? Oh, okay. But before I go any further, I just attach it to the new one because I don't want to get these mixed up. So, okay. All right, well that's in. Okay, this is where it gets a little tricky because I have to combine these two. My daughter's turning the power back on. I did it! I combined the ceiling lights. Okay, and then this should be the fan. Yes. As my electrician was telling me like what to do, I was marking it with different color tape because I was completely lost.